Good morning, sir. Myself Mahadevi Boite. I am from HM Electronics and Communication Department. My seminar topic is on memristors, which is the fourth basic circuit element. The contents of PPT are Introduction and History of memristor definition, fundamental circuit elements, symmetry of relationships, construction and working, advantages and disadvantages, and future scope. Coming to introduction. Memristor is a two-terminal element which was developed in 1971 by Professor Leon Chow at the University of California. It was found while exploring the symmetry between the three fundamental passive linear circuit elements, that is resistor, capacitor and inductor. Coming to the definition of memristor. Memristor is a combination of two words, that is memory and resistor. It is a semiconductor whose resistance varies as a function of flux and charge. Coming to memristance. Memristance is the property of electronic component that remember the last resistance it had. That is, when you turn off the voltage, the memristor remembers its most recent resistance until next time you turn on it, whether that happens a day or a year later. It is becoming stronger as the feature size in circuits are getting small, so memristors are evolving into nanoelectronics. It is necessary to take memristors into account that our circuit model in order to stimulate and design the electronic components properly. Memristors is given by the equation V of t is equals to m into q of t star I of t, where m of q is the memristance. It is having the similar SI unit like the resistance, which is ohm. The fundamental circuit elements includes the resistor, capacitor and inductor. From these three elements, we can derive the symmetry of relationship between this memristor, where the resistor gives the relationship between voltage and current, inductor gives the relationship between current and flux, capacitor gives the relationship between voltage and charge, whereas there was no relationship between flux and charge. To identify that relationship, they have developed the term memristance, which relates the flux and the charge. Construction of memristor. Memristor was developed in 2008 at HP Labs. It consisted of nanometer scale titanium dioxide thin film, which was having doped and undoped regions which are sandwiched between the two platinum contacts. The memristance function of the device can be defined as mq of t is equals to r of into 1 minus mu into r on divided by d square into q of t, where r off is the high resistance state, r on is the low resistance state, mu is the mobility of dopants in the thin film, d is the thickness of the film. Coming to the working of memristors, they are made up of semiconductor materials such as titanium dioxide. They consist of two layers, one will be pure and other will be doped. To obtain the high resistance, voltage will be applied to the negative potential terminal, and to obtain the low resistance, voltage will be applied to the positive potential terminal. The device remembers its previous state even after the power is switched off, so it is called as memristor. Coming to the analogy of memristor. An analogous for memristor is an interesting kind of pipe that expands or shrinks when water flows through it. If the water flows through the pipe in one direction, the diameter of the pipe increases, and if the water flows in the reverse direction, the diameter decreases, slowing down the flow of water. If the water pressure is turned off, the pipe will retain its most recent diameter until the water is turned back. Thus, the pipe does not store water but remember how much the water has been flowed through it. In the same way, memristor remembers the last resistance the element had. Coming to the advantages of memristor. They are very comfortable in the interfacing of CMOS. They consume less energy for generating the less heat. It has very high storage as well as speed. It has the capability to memorize the flow of charge in a set of time. They are used in faster boot ups. Disadvantages of memristors include They are not available commercially. The speed of these memory stores is 1 by 10th than the DRAM. Since all the information on the PC turns into non-volatile, rebooting will not resolve any problem in the memory stores. Applications of memory store are: they are used in digital memory, logic circuits, and biological and neuromorphic systems. They are used in computer technology as well as digital memory. They are used in neural networks as well as analog and electronics. They are applicable for analogic filter applications, remote sensing, and low power applications. They are used in programmable logic and signal processing. Future scope of these memory stores are: they can be applied to perform the digital logic with the implication instead of NAND gates. They can be implemented to do the neural computes. They are used in pattern recognition and learning. They are used in crossbar latches to replace the transistors. Thank you.